AI can feel like magic, but here's the catch. If you only use ChatGPT in a normal chat, you are leaving half its power unused. Imagine writing with a co-pilot who not only answers your questions but also builds your scripts right next to you. That's Canvas mode. It turns AI into your creative teammate. And in this video, I'll show you how it works with a real example, the very script you are watching right now. Hey, I'm Yerban. I have more than 11 years of experience as a lead business analyst in IT. On this channel, we'll learn, try and share practical ways to use AI. Today's focus is ChatGPT Canvas mode, an interactive space that turns ChatGPT into a true co-writer and editor. Let's dive in. The problem with normal chat is when you try to change one part of the answer, it often rewrites everything, ruining even the parts you wanted to keep. It's frustrating and wastes time. For creators, marketers, and students, it slows work down. Canvas fixes this by letting you highlight and improve only the sections you want, while the rest stays untouched. Good news! Canvas is available to all ChatGPT users for free. To activate Canvas, you have two simple methods. First, you can simply type in your prompt "Open in Canvas" and it will launch automatically. Second, you can manually choose Open in Canvas from the menu. With Canvas mode, you don't just chat, you create. You see the entire draft on screen and it feels less like talking to a chatbot and more like collaborating with a hybrid of Google Docs, Grammarly, and an AI teammate. The interface is intuitive. On the left side, we keep the chat for brainstorming ideas and asking questions. On the right, your document evolves in real time. Edit text directly in the document, like typing in Google Doc, but with AI at your side. Use basic markdown, bold, italics, or headings. Select a section and press Ask ChatGPT for specific changes. Shorten it, expand it, or shift the style, almost like coaching an editor. Then we have separate menu with a bunch of cool functions. Suggest edits, the built-in proofreader. Think of this as having a teacher beside you. Highlight a section, click Suggest Edits, and the AI gives feedback. Maybe shorter sentences, clearer flow, or stronger wording. You decide what to keep or reject. This tool is best after you have a full draft and want to raise its quality quickly. Adjust length. Resize your text. Imagine your block is 1000 words, but the limit is 700. Instead of cutting line by line, adjust length can shrink it while keeping the main ideas. Or if the section feels empty, you can expand it with more examples. It's like zooming in or out, giving you flexible control over your content's size. You can reach the same result with prompt. Shorten this section by 40% without losing examples. Change reading level. Tune for the right audience. With one click, Canvas can rewrite a section for middle school level, making it simple and clear, or raise it to graduate level with advanced vocabulary. For English learners, you can set it to B2, ensuring that text is accessible but still challenging. For this case, I have also a proven prompt. Write for an audience with B2 level English and carefully add some C1 level vocabulary to enrich the text while keeping it easy to understand. Add final polish, clean and professional. This is your final check. Grammar errors, awkward phrasing, missing transitions. Final polish smooths them out. It doesn't rebuild your text, but it makes sure what you already wrote shines. Think of it as proofreading before hitting publish. Add emojis, engage visually. For social posts, ads, or newsletters, emojis bring energy. They grab attention and help with tone. Use sparingly, but when you want extra personality, this shortcut saves time by adding them in relevant spots automatically. The next set of functions are on the upper right corner. Show changes. Track what's different. After any big edit, you might ask, what exactly changed? Show changes highlights additions in green and deletions in red. It's transparent and lets you confirm nothing important was lost. For a demo, let's run final polish, then toggle show changes to see each grammar fix and phrasing adjustment. Version history in restore. Step back safely. Every action saves a version. If you experiment and don't like the result, you can go back with one click. This makes editing safe since you always have the option to restore an earlier draft. Copy, export and share, finishing the job. After final polish, we can copy all the text to clipboard, share the canvas, create public or private link, or download as a file. Canvas mode is a very powerful tool to write scripts, texts, letters, or I guess even books. In this mode, ChatGPT doesn't just answer, it collaborates. It transforms into your co-writer, editor, and creative teammate. This dual view keeps conversation and creation connected, so you never lose context. This workflow shows how Canvas keeps you in control. You edit smarter, save time, and end with a text that feels professional and ready to use. Awesome! That brings us to the final takeaway. With traditional chat, AI gives you answers. With Canvas, AI works beside you, refining drafts, improving flow, and keeping everything in one place. If you are serious about creating content, this is how you save time and elevate quality. Try Canvas today and let ChatGPT become your co-writer and creative teammate. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Tech Creators Lab, where we learn, try and share the smartest way to use AI. See you in the next one. Bye.